So that's right, you probably read from the title of this video that we're gonna do a giveaway. So make sure to watch till the end of the video to find out how to enter. Okay, so let's go over some trades so far. Usually during these holiday weeks, I would expect, momentum to be a little bit slower and things a little bit choppier due to, less volume during especially the shortened weeks. So today I definitely got chopped up a lot, but because of the risk management and the way I scale into my winners, I'm still ending the day very green. So let's go over some trades first. The first one I took turned out to be a small loser, was Fireeye. You can see, I was looking for the continuation on the daily as long as we hold above the $20 level. So $20 is holding, that's what I got in long. I kind of wanted to wait for it to keep on breaking out and add into it. My starter, you can see I pretty much stopped out here, 2010. I even tried it again over here, 2020s. Didn't work, so I got stopped out for losses on both trades. I could have scalped it and sold into 20s, 80s, but I really wanted like the bigger picture kind of move. So that's why I just got stopped out small size on both of them. And BA is another one. So this one I actually waited for it to break out above the 215.50s level, and I started going in long, thinking that we're gonna grind back to previous day close. And it just became very slow. You can see even though I stopped out and then went back in, and then took some profit and then basically stopped out rest for flat. It just kind of was trading sideways, which was to be expected during these holidays. So basically got stopped out for a small loss again. But I really do think that they are gonna slowly grind it back to 219s or even 220s by end of the day or tomorrow. But just very slow today. So pretty much a scratch trade again. The biggest winner on the day is EYEG. So obviously this is one of those small cap stocks that if you look at a daily chart, a lot of failed spikes, and it's a stock that I've traded in the past before. Probably I think I traded it last year and maybe in August as well. But there's a reason the daily chart looks like that, and that's why you always want to start analyzing your stocks from the daily chart. And I was leaning more short bias on the stock. I left it alone the entire pre-market, which is good because a lot of times I'm not that patient. But around here is where I see it test $8 and failed. And if you look at $8 on the daily, right? If you just look at the daily chart, $8, a lot of wicks around the $8, $8.10s, $8.50s, or even $7.90s area. So that's the area I was looking for a short. While I didn't top ticket at $8.16, I got in around $7.70s, $7.80s. So that's pretty decent entry. I covered some into the pre-market low support around $7.11s. I tried adding, but saw the reclaim. I quickly stopped out. The stopped out of the ad, right? If you saw my last video, the live trading recording I did, you see how I kind of scale in and out of my trades. So that's how I like to do it. Everyone has their personal preference for entries and exits, but I kind of, will work around my core position, whether it's on the long side and short side. And I, stopped out of the small ad and I re-added back around the 760s. You can see that was a very nice, re-entry here, and we got a very nice flush move back to 7s, 670s and 660s, and I was all out around the 610, 620s area, and the stock just fade off down to $5 now. So left a lot on the table, but also because I'm expecting today to be kind of lower volume, I kind of just want to take the meat of the move and don't get chopped up on the rest of the trades, whether they are small caps or the large caps. The second trade is FUBO. If you look at a daily chart, you can see why I was more bullish on the stock. Pretty basic technical analysis. The stock is breaking out to new all-time highs, and then stock grinded up. I didn't catch anything here. I'm just waiting for the pullback. You can see, broke out to 49, pulled back to, around the 45, 50s, got in, slowly scale into it. Once it shows me it's gonna hold, we add to full size, and, I really thought, this was, $46 to 47 was a good trade. I didn't know it's gonna keep on going to basically $50. So left a lot on the table too, but that's okay because you can see once I tried to go back in around the 49s, it just didn't hold and I got stopped out. So I gave back a good chunk of profit on Fubo, unfortunately, but this ticker is overall net green. So I'm very happy to end the green here. Even though there's more losers than winners, risk management and scaling into my trades definitely saved it. Fubo, could have been a lot bigger. That was a disappointment for me. But the rest of the stocks, I kept my losers relatively small. Remember, I always want to only add into my winners. So if it showed me that's not gonna work early on, I don't add into it. So that's just kind of how I trade. Again, you can kind of see more in depth about how I scale in and out of my positions, multiple positions, on my last live trading recording video. And this is just a PSA, and I didn't think it was a big deal until somebody mentioned it. The account on Dash Trader, you can only turn on alias if it's a live account. If you don't believe me, you can go on Dash Trader Pro and check the support. How do you hide your account number? You can only hide it if it's a real account, if it's a live trading account. And also the other thing is, if it's a demo account, you'll see under the account tab, margin in like a bracket, demo. If it's a demo account like this, I can move this. This is not a demo account. And again, even if you still think this is a demo account, that's okay. You're entitled to your opinion. I'm just here happy to end the day green. So let's talk about the holiday giveaway now, shall we? Ta-da! The first ever Humble Trader hat. I just got this. You can see the tag is still down there. So this is our giveaway prize. I might adjust the logo just a little bit, make it lower for the prizes. So here's how you can enter and win the Humble Trader hat. So first of all, remember to drop a like at the bottom of the video, and also leave something positive in the comment section below. It could be you helping out other people with questions, or you leaving a really bad joke that is so bad that it makes other people laugh. As long as it's something positive and encouraging, that'll help spread the holiday cheers. And also, I want to thank my longtime followers. Some of you guys have been following this channel and laughing at my bad jokes since the channel was only about 50,000 or 10,000 subscribers. So if you've been following me for a while and commenting and watching all my videos religiously, I think I can see like a little heart icon beside your YouTube channel name. So make sure to leave a comment below this video and I'll find it, and I'll tell you about the details on how to get the Humble Trader hat. Now this is a very important thing I also want to mention, since I know people will be looking for my replies in the comment section. Recently there's a lot of fake Humble Trader YouTube accounts replying to people, telling them to message them on WhatsApp or send them Bitcoin or PayPal or whatnot. Again, let me just re-emphasize that if it's a real reply from myself, from the real Humble Trader, you're gonna see a highlight on my YouTube name. So that's how you know it's a real reply. If it's a reply with no highlight, just blank, but with the same image, with the same Humble Trader name, but telling you something weird, like about investments or using a broker, or they'll handle their money for you, don't fall for that. That's a scam. Make sure you report that account. So thank you guys so much for following me and staying so positive with me throughout the entire year. It's been a long year. Hopefully 2021 is gonna be a better one. I'm gonna continue doing the same giveaway on the Humble Trader hat for the rest of the week and next week as well. So I'm hoping to give out a lot of these hats away, so I'll see you guys in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and happy holidays. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and the bad jokes. If you want to see more day trading content, make sure to subscribe and follow me on Twitter and Instagram for more. If you'd like to trade with me daily and get my free weekend watch list and trading journal, make sure to check out the links below for more resources. Stay green, stay positive, and I'll see you guys next time.